Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for an Anfield Road expansion update. It seems like a very quiet site, can't hear any noise at all. I heard a couple of workers shouting, that's about it. So we'll have a quick look around. Oh, there, I can see some guys up here. It's a stillage of some sort. Don't know what was on it. Yeah, so I was at the match yesterday, last night. People complaining that Liverpool were a bit slow, but you know what? They got the job done, and you could see in the second half they were just saving their legs. Yeah, there's a lift over this side. Yeah, they were saving their legs. You know, okay, they should have made sure they got that second goal a little bit earlier, like just to kill the game off. But more brickies here, innit? But why risk getting injuries in what you call a lower class game? You know, these lads, there's some fringe players in there that are trying to get to the first team. They want to keep themselves fit, but they also want to put in a good performance. Gravenberg played well, man of the match for me. Right behind him was Kwanzaa. He was outstanding in defence. He got Alisson out of jail for flapping at the ball, if you like, and it fell against someone's back and nearly fell to one of their players. Okay. Right, I'm going to get over the stands. The wind's on and off today, so I'll get right over while it's semi-calm, if you like. Yeah, so I was right down in the corner down here. So I had the roof right above me. So while I'm flying around, I'll put the footage on that I got of the roof. So I was on the third row there. And the roof was right above me. I got a really good view of the roof. It was, as you can see from the footage, there's not that much needs doing to it. Yeah, there's some cladding that needs adding. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. But it's not that bad up there. It's a bit deceiving when it comes to looking at the seats, because it looks like there's a lot more seats in than there actually is, but there's still a lot of seats in. So I think that's the one that goes right to the back now. That one doesn't, and that one doesn't, does it? Or does it? I can't remember now. But yeah, there's not a lot to go in. I think that one doesn't go all the way to the back either at this end. But as you can see here, no, I don't know when they've gone in, but that gap's being filled in there. So let's just get down there again, sorry. Yeah, the gap behind the posh seats there, there was a clear gap. Now there's not the seats in there now. So that's a good sign that they're cracking on with the seats. Move back a touch more and I'll zoom in one more time on it. So there are more seats in, and if you look over here, yeah, there's more getting added here as well. So they are cracking on with the seats. Now there's no game here now until the 15th of October, which is a women's match. Liverpool ladies versus Everton ladies, which I will be attending, because I want to see just how much is is got on, because I'm in the lower no I'm not, I'm in the front of the upper Kenny, so I'll be able to see quite a lot of the seats, and it should give us a good idea of how far along they are. I'm just I'm just watching in the park here. There's I think someone's lost control of the dog. Don't know what he's doing. I can bring it down now. Yes, I'll be going to the women's match. I was just making sure I wasn't going to start getting attacked by that dog. Be going to the women's match to have a look at the seats, and that'll be the last game then before the derby on the 21st. So there's two derbies: Everton, Liverpool ladies versus Everton ladies on the 15th, and then the men's derby on the 21st. So I'm pretty sure they're going to have to get a test event in that time, but we'll see. You might get a test event in between the two matches, or could they use the women's match as a test event? Be interesting to know. You know what, there's a massive park this, and people tend to walk right by you. I don't know the reason for it. Yeah, it's quiet on the outside, very quiet. So all the action seems to be around this side. The brickies on the lift, and whatever they're doing up there. I've never noticed that little door there before. What's that for? That can't take you inside the stand, can it? Let's turn the drone round.
Buddy, here. Wait. Okay. Oh, who's that? Good boy. Hey.
Is what I mean. There's me. And there's people just by me. Look how much room they've got. So I'm trying to keep the conversations off camera. It's not only that, I don't like talking while people are around me. It was so uncomfortable for me last night, you know, when I'm trying to do my intro to my match day vlog. I only got so many fans around me. But people look and they stare, and yeah, I just feel uncomfortable doing it. But they're probably just curious. Look, there's more people now. Why'd everyone just gathered where I am? Oh man, it's a massive park. Look, right, I've walked right out the way now. Look, it's a congregation there, and that's where I was standing. Look at all this space. Look at it all. There's tons of it. Oh well. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, more seats have gone in. I don't know if I'll be anywhere over the weekend. I won't be here over the weekend. I'm working over the weekend, so I've got a lot on. But I'll be back on Monday, and hopefully they've put some in over the weekend and we can get a good view of more seats. Then once the seats are in, we'll probably start seeing the work on the outside cracking along then. Well, all depends on the concourse area, well, doesn't it? yeah, but apart from that, guys, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Comments are always appreciated. I always reply to them, and likes as well, okay? But apart from that, guys, as always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.